begin with why it's so important to attend this event. It's so important because it's content rich in regards to the sessions, the speakers. You're going to walk away with nuggets of information that are going to be incredibly valuable for yourself as a leader, for your organization, for the teams that you're leading. I always take away many things that I can take back to my organization, ideas that can be shared, new ideas that we can implement and or build, and look at things that we're doing through a different lens.
It's always good to hear how other organizations are approaching some of the challenges we all have. Looking at attendee acquisition and growth and how we all change with AI and the new landscape that is the live event space.
We believe this is a very fertile ground to bring our emerging leaders and kind of immerse them in the real value of an event environment with executives.
ECEF is so important to attend every year because you get a good industry perspective of both the for-profits and the association business. It's a great way to also connect with colleagues and friends and see what's happening new in the industry and what technology is going to change the way of how we do business.
There are so many partners here that we work with on CES, from vendors to consultants to partners in new endeavors. And so it's always great to connect with them and meet them here at ECEF.
We've participated as speakers, we've participated as learners, and so that opportunity to do both is very important for us.
You want to come connect, you want to be seen, and you want to hear what's happening.